guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, before I do anything, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. You're going to want to see everything we have. And today we are in Cortona. You remember Cortona from the film Under the Tuscan Sun, where Bramasole was located and completely renovated. And I know a lot of people had a dream of buying their own Bramasole, their own renovation project, and doing it up just like it was in the movie. And we found the house for you. This could be your Bramasole. And one thing you'll notice about this beautiful farmhouse is here, you don't see a whole lot of brick like in Torrita and around the Siena area. Here, it's mostly stone. Okay, you can see they've already started the renovations in here. There's a lot that's been done. It looks like they sort of leveled up the floors, and I don't know if these are electrics or plumbing, probably electric wires and things that will probably be under the floors. But there's a lot that's been done in here already. It looks like the solayos have been recently done. Some of the beams look new. There's a lot of work that's happened, and there's still a little love to go. But you know what? It's the fun love part. You're at the fun love part, picking up the finishes, redoing the doors, talking to the architect about the disposition of the rooms. You know, the dirty, nasty, ugly part's already been done. So let's take a look here. We're in the entry here. There's 2 rooms off the entry. This is gorgeous. I'm going to go in this room here because I'm attracted by it. There's an arch here and some beautiful beams up top. Let's take a look. My gosh, this would be a beautiful living room area. I would actually put a little fireplace in here and it would be so beautiful. But check it out, this gorgeous, the beautiful beams and bricks above. And there's a gorgeous window here with a beautiful view looking out. Okay, now in this foyer, it's actually a gorgeous foyer. And you know how we love foyers that really introduce the house on a beautiful note. What I would do here is, there's a type of marble that I think it's called Sienese yellow, and Antonello introduced me to it, but I would get big Sienese yellow tiles, and then I'd get those little square, you know, different colored or copper maybe tiles to put in the corner and put them all through here, and then I put some kind of matching marble and have the stairs be all one piece, right? Not any sort of tile or anything, just all one piece, have it made at the marmista, get it all the way going up, and you've got these beautiful star ceilings right in the middle there in that little landing, and beautiful brick and beam ceilings here. You could have the foyer of your dreams right here. And there's another room right off the foyer. Let's take a look. I wonder what we would do with this. Okay, it's not a big room. I don't know what the rest of the house is. It's a massive house. I think I'd make this a little seating room, you know, or a study or something. I love the windows here because you've got a lot of natural light. Actually a study, art studio, place where you read, whatever. You've got beautiful light coming. You've got some of the most gorgeous views out the window of the surrounding olive trees in the surrounding area. It's just stunning. I love this room. I think this, so far, of the 2 rooms I've seen, this is my favorite. Hey, I'm on the landing. Now, there's a huge window here for light, which is great for a landing. And there's a couple little rooms here. I think closet and bathroom maybe, not sure. And then there's another room up here. Come take a look. This is just right off the landing. This is like some ancillary rooms. We haven't even gotten to the main part of the house yet. This is obviously a bathroom, obviously. And I think that would be a fabulous closet. You know what? You could put your washer in there. You could put your washer in there and use the drains and everything from the bathroom. That's a brilliant plan. And maybe that's what this was designed for, a lavanderia. Hello, we've reached the top of the stairs, but not actually the top because there's more stairs even still. But I think this is the day zone. Let's have a look. Okay, now we are in what's called the salone. Really a soggiorno, but really salone. I mean, I wish I had my roller skates. Look at the size of this place. This is all daytime living area, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Now here is a space for a camino, fireplace. I would put a massive fireplace here, beautiful sofas here, and then just little nooks and seating areas. Even on that side, I put some reading areas and things like that, and have a lot of space for people to congregate and come in and be comfortable, warm in this winter and cool in the summer. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I see a door here that's beautifully outlined, and I'm wondering to myself, maybe that would be a balcony. balcony outside because we're up a little higher. I'm not sure exactly, I'd have to look out the windows, but the views from up here and all the natural light, look how beautiful they are. Okay, we're on the other side of the salon here, and what I would do is I would put a glass wall here or some sliding doors or something like that, so that you can make this really, really private and a nice place to actually read and everything else. You'll notice that it's plugged for radiators already. Everything's all done, like the electrics are already in, everything's ready to go. It's really just finishing work that's needed here. Okay, we're back in the stairway here because we're going to go out and show you the kitchen, but what I want to show you is these beautiful star ceilings. They can be painted with beautiful images, they can be tiled, you could put bricks on them, whatever you like. It's a very beautifully, beautifully done property with gorgeous architectural details. Let's go see the kitchen, and there's another little bathroom and a huge pantry in there. Okay, here's the bathroom that serves really the salotto area, but it's a huge bathroom. You could have a huge shower in here and just make a beautiful bathroom. And here's the kitchen, and it's nice. It's a little bit private, but I could see where you could put a little table in there if you want a more intimate dining experience just with family. Come, check it out. Now, here's where the fireplace was, and I would put the kitchen along this wall, of course, and it looks like maybe there's more kitchen-y area over here. Looks like it was all set up for a really big kitchen. It could be gorgeous. Now, we talked about the focolare, which is a Tuscan thing, right? Focolare is kind of a little area that they used for cooking. And you know, the bottom part of it in our house, we're going to kind of get rid of it because it's not functional, but we're going to keep the hood, and it adds that Tuscan charm. I would have one made. There are falegname here, which are woodworkers, that would be happy to make you a beautiful hood right there and make it look really characteristic. So this is the kitchen. Around here we have a giant pantry. We were joking, you could sleep in there. Look at this pantry. Like, my goodness, it's a bedroom. I mean, it's not a bedroom, it's a pantry, but look at it. I see shelves everywhere. You could put shelves for all your kitchen appliances, which I have many. You could put it for all your food. You could have pullouts. The things they have for kitchens nowadays are absolutely astounding, what you can have and what you can put in to make things super duper functional. And I love that you have a gorgeous window in your pantry. Now this window, I'll tell you something, it doesn't look that bad. If you wanted to restore these, this was already double glazed, it's double glazed, it's wood. But you could have it restored with a falegname, and I would, because look at these pretty doors. I mean, the windows themselves are in pretty good shape inside, and then just have these redone, maybe natural wood, maybe not, I don't know. But I really like these because, I don't know, they're just really super cute. Love them. Okay, we're approaching the zona norte. Now, this room here, huge mansarda, which is, of course, an attic room. I would use it as storage. It's really too low, although perhaps you could make a roof terrace there. That would be something I would definitely talk to Lorella about. It's worth it if you're buying a beautiful place like this and pay a little bit extra and put a roof terrace on, because I love roof terraces. Anyway, this would be wonderful little studio here, and let's go see the upper area, which is where the bedrooms are. Okay, we're at the top floor of the house, and up here we have 3 bedrooms and 2 really, really big bathrooms. Now, one of the things we wanted to talk about is there's an opening here, and it goes up under the roof. Loretta tells me there's plenty of room for another bedroom and another bathroom up there, and you could put a little wood staircase going in here, which I'm not sure how that would work. It might be a spiral. I don't know. That's a Lorella question. But if you put a staircase here, you could get up there and have a really nice mansarda area, which is not, it's not super low up there. So you could put a bedroom and a bathroom. But I mean, these rooms up here are so beautiful. It's so comfortable, and I love this house. Now, I do want to say that we talked to Lorella about the possibility of roof terraces and balconies, and no. In Tuscany, that's absolutely verboten. So, but there's all kinds of outdoor space with some of the most beautiful views you've ever seen. You could put a pool out there. I would put a huge patio, walkways, a big driveway, and that kind of thing, and a pergola with grapes or something. Maybe not grapes, they fall and smash, but I would put wisteria over the top. You have this beautiful pergola and a walkway and a beautiful place to eat outside. This is really a stunning property, and the price is like completely nuts so because they're asking €1 million for it. However, it would only take another, say, 200,000 to fix it up really, really beautifully. So to me, in this area where the actual real Bramasole is, right under Cortona, it's a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer.